Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: admin access, the alt manager installed, and a prepared spreadsheet of alts. Once done, open the app and import that list using CSV or manual entry. This speeds setup and reduces errors. Make sure to tag accounts by purpose so you can filter later. You will also enable two-factor authentication on the main account while saving backup codes securely. This prevents lockouts and keeps recovery quick if an alt is flagged or lost. Now you configure organization and behavior. You create folders or tags like work, testing, and disposable so you can bulk manage similar alts. This improves workflow efficiency. Next, assign a dedicated proxy or VPN to each account and define connection rules. This prevents cross-account fingerprinting. Then set auto-switch timers and prioritized login sequences so the manager cycles accounts predictably. Make sure default profiles include cookies and session persistence to avoid repeated logins and to maintain stable automation. Finish by doing a dry run. You switch through 3 to 5 accounts to confirm logins, proxies, and tags behave as expected. Once satisfied, export an encrypted backup of credentials and the manager configuration. Store it offline. If something breaks, start with one key troubleshooting tip. Clear the alt manager cache, reassign the proxy to the affected account, and re-authenticate two-factor access if prompted. This sequence resolves most sync, session, and proxy mismatch problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.